Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Snapchat camera not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open your settings app, scroll down and tap Snapchat, and here make sure the camera permission is enabled. If it's off, turn it on and then restart Snapchat. Next, go back to settings, then general, then iPhone storage. Find Snapchat in the list, then tap it and select offload app. This clear temporary files without deleting your account. After that, reinstall Snapchat from the App Store. If the problem continues, check your internet connections. Sometimes weak Wi-Fi or data can cause the camera to freeze or not load. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. And also, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any updates available. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.